Hey everybody, Brandon Platt here from 40 Digital Media. Today we're going to talk a little bit about how to create your own personalized YouTube thumbnail so you can use it for any of your videos and make it interchangeable. Basically reuse it over and over and over and just change the title. And it's super simple, super easy to do, and something that will give a little more flair to your thumbnail image and to your video as people see it for the first time, instead of just having a piece of the video where inevitably you have this awkward look on your face in the middle of talking, because nobody really likes that. So you want something that's a little more eye-catching. So we're going to talk about that today. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe down and hit the subscribe button if you want all the great content we have coming your way. Hopefully it is helpful. Thank you to everybody who has watched so far and commented. Had some great feedback so far on all of these videos, and hopefully we can continue to provide you great content that is useful for you and helpful as we move forward. So, getting into the nuts and bolts of things today, how to create your own personal thumbnail. So what you're going to do first is you're going to go to canva.com. It's what I use. You can use any kind of editing software, Photoshop, anything like that, and anywhere you can get images and edit them. I use Canva because it allows me to have templates. It simplifies things for me. I'll put the link below in the description so you have access. You can access Canva yourself. There are free opportunities there, also paid opportunities. Your subscription is something like $10 a month right now, so it's very very inexpensive, and it's a great tool to use, especially if you're somebody who's creating content a lot. So as you go to Canva, what you're going to do is you're going to go up to where it says create a design. Now this is a page that I created specifically for this, so it is empty. However, you'll see a lot of different opportunities as we move through this. So as you go through create a design, you're going to search in that tool for YouTube thumbnail, and you can see there's a lot of different options for YouTube as far as banners and things like that go. So you can take your pick and play with it, but thumbnail is what you're looking for in this specific instance. Now you can see here on the left hand side there's a lot of different templates that are available to you. You can choose any of these that you want, and the great thing is these are fully customizable. So find something that you like, a theme that you like, and this just simplifies things. It's not to say you can't do it on your own and create your own theme, but this is already made for you. You can change these around, you can move things. So we're just going to select this one for the sake of argument, just random. And so here we have the title of whatever your video is going to be. And as you can see, I can highlight this, I can erase this. So let's just say 3 ways to create great content. We'll move this down a little bit here, our subscribe, and you can change that to whatever you want it to be. You can put your name there, you can put your company name there, or whatever. You can see all these are fully customizable. Now, as you go through here, you can see the upload section. You can upload your own images. So you can upload images of yourself. The elements, there's a lot of different things available, and when you get into the paid form of the platform, there will also be a photos section where you can take royalty-free images and utilize them. Once you're done, go to share, click download, and you can download this as a number of different options. I would suggest a PNG file or a JPEG. Those would be the two best for this specific instance. But Canva does allow you a lot of different options for how you want to download your images and then present that content. So hopefully this was helpful for you, and you can be really creative now with creating a good YouTube thumbnail for your awesome videos that hopefully you're creating. Don't forget to check us out on social media, by the way. We are at 40 Digital Media on Facebook, at 40 Digital Media on Instagram, at 40 Digital Media 1 on Twitter. Connect with us, follow us, DM us if you like our content. Let us know what you want to see in the future. Obviously, you can comment below on stuff you want to see in the future. Check out the Check out the playlists above then you can see all the great content in there. We have two different ones. You'll see the playlist, just general social media tips and tricks, and then also we have a playlist specifically for dental professionals here that are dentistry in 4D simulcast with our podcast that you can get wherever you get your podcast if you want to check that out. So let us know what you think. Comment below. Ask any questions that you have. Again, connect with us on social media. Don't forget to subscribe. And we hope that you continue to enjoy what you're watching. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have fun. Take care.